In this video, we listed the 5 best stand food mixers on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CANDIMILL 5L Food Mixer. The multifunction chef machine, model SC236, is a versatile kitchen appliance boasting a power of 1000 W and a generous capacity of 5L. This product is designed to simplify the process of making dough, with predefined steps for achieving optimal results. Additionally, the product dimensions are 339 by 227 by 323 mm. When it comes to shipping, ensuring the accuracy of address and contact details is crucial for prompt delivery, and alternative faster shipping options are available upon request. Customers are advised to consider potential delays due to various factors beyond the company's control. Import duties, taxes, and charges are not included in the item price or shipping costs, and the buyer is responsible for these fees. In case of dissatisfaction with the product, a return can be arranged within 15 days, provided the item is in its original packaging and with a specific reason for return. Finally, the manufacturer encourages customers to leave positive feedback, offering support and solutions for any issues that may arise. The product comes with CE certification and is manufactured by BioloMix in mainland China, adhering to specifications of 220V and 1000W. Number 2. 4L Large Bowl Mixer. The Carnivore stand table mixer boasts a range of specifications that make it a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance. With 6-speed settings and a 4L stainless steel mixing bowl, it offers ample capacity and control for various recipes. The included accessories such as the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip enhance its functionality. The mixer's housing is made of plastic, and its dimensions are 40 by 21 by 48 cm, operating at 220V and 1000W. This Carnivore mixer bears the brand name proudly as a product of mainland China, providing both power and reliability for your baking and cooking needs. Number 3. BioloMix Kitchen Mixer. The BioloMix 6L stand mixer is a powerful kitchen appliance featuring a 1200W high-end pure copper DC motor with 6+ speed settings and a timer function for efficient dough kneading, batter mixing, and more. With low operating noise at less than or equal to 60 dB, this mixer ensures a quiet kitchen environment. The 6L food-grade stainless steel bowl with dual handles can accommodate gatherings of 8 to 10 people, while the clear LED display shows operation time. The tilt-head design and splash guard with access hatch add convenience, and the mixer's compact design with anti-slip feet helps maintain stability and cleanliness in the kitchen. The buyer should ensure correct address details, be aware of shipping times and tax responsibilities, and follow the return policy for satisfaction. Overall, the BioloMix stand mixer offers a blend of power, convenience, and user-friendly features for baking enthusiasts. Number 4. Electric Stand Food Mixer. The electric stand food mixer stainless steel chef machine with a 5L capacity is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for kneading dough, mixing cake batter, whisking eggs, and blending cream. With a sturdy stainless steel body and a powerful 1200W pure copper motor, this mixer offers high speeds and efficient heat dissipation. It features a variety of mixing heads for different applications and a 6-speed adjustment mechanism for precise control. The product measures 348 by 228 by 278 mm, weighs 5 kg, and operates at a voltage of 220-240V. The chef machine, model SC205A, is equipped with a stainless steel mixing bowl and various accessories, making it a convenient and durable addition to any kitchen. Number 5. 3.5L Stainless Food Mixer. The chef machine is a kitchen appliance with a rated voltage of 220V, rated frequency of 50 Hz, and a rated power of 600 W. The product is available for purchase through various shipping methods outlined in the shopping guide, with delivery times varying depending on the chosen shipping option. The FAQ section addresses common queries regarding payment methods, warranty, damaged parcels, and wholesale inquiries. Customers are encouraged to reach out for assistance before leaving negative feedback, and positive feedback is valued by the seller. The product is manufactured by Jiqi in mainland China and comes with a 1-year warranty.